If you want to learn how to create an ebook from Canva, come closer. Hello, my name is Ernest, and in this video, I'll show you how to create an ebook using existing Canva templates. Creating an ebook can be very beneficial to any type of profession that you find yourself in. You can create an ebook to sell courses, you can create an ebook to sell tips, guides, and tricks. So let's say you are a project manager, of which you have some students that you want to teach them how to learn project management. So you want to start off by teaching them how to do a project charter. Let's see how you create an ebook containing how to do a project charter for your project management students. If you've made it this far, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share, because I have a lot of amazing content coming up your way. Okay, so you can start creating the ebook by clicking either here, or here. When you click here, it will give you a blank page of which you can start creating your ebook from. So let's click here. So now you've been given a blank page of which everything will be in it. So let's go ahead and create the cover page. We are going to use this site. Since we are project managers, we just type in project management and look at the various cover pages that come about. So when the cover pages load, you look through the templates and look for the free ones. If you see a crown on any of the templates, it means that you have to subscribe to a premium version. But I want us to do a low cost ebook, and so we'll use only free versions of the templates. So you browse the templates and select any one that you like that is apparently free. So you can select this one, get rid of the logo, get rid of the watermarks, get rid of this here. Then you move to the top. You can change the name to project management. You stretch it out. Then you can copy and paste it. You come here and you type create a project charter. You try and minimize it, move it a little bit, and you stretch it out. Then you can change the name over here. That's it. You now have your cover page created for you. Let's move on to create the table of contents. So for the table of contents, you come here again, then you type table of contents. You browse through the already existing table of contents and you choose one. But first of all, you need to add a page so that the table of contents will come in this blank page. So let's click on this table of contents. You go to text and you type table of contents. So you move this one upwards and you change the color to correspond the theme. So now that we have a table of contents created from an existing table of contents, we can now go ahead to edit it. So the about us here can be an executive summary. Then here can be an introduction. We'll come back to modify the table of contents as we move along and create more pages. So the next thing we are going to do is an executive summary page for our ebook. So to create your executive summary page, you can come here and type executive summary. You look at the existing templates over here and you select any one you want. So you can select this one. You can keep the picture here, you can change, you can delete this. Then you come to this rounded rectangle here. You can change the color to correspond with our theme. You can delete this because we are going to create a new page for the introduction. You can copy and paste it to get a mock-up of how your executive summary should be. So you can leave all these credentials here or you can delete them, but you need to change the color over here in order to meet our theme. You can change this color also, and you are done with the executive summary. We've created our executive summary page. Let's go ahead and create a page number on the executive summary page so that we can correspond it on the table of contents. And so to create the page number, you can come to elements and type page numbers, and it will give you a plethora of page number designs that you can use. So you can select this one, you minimize it, then you can move it over here, correspond it with the theme of the book. And so since this is page 1, you can go back to the table of contents. You come to text, you select this and you type 1. Then you insert it over here. You can change the color white, and that's it. You have your page 1 of your executive summary written boldly over here. So you can use this method to change the table of contents corresponding with the page numbers as you move on. So now that we are done with our executive summary, we can move ahead and go on to the introduction page and all the other pages or the contents of the book that we want to include in it. So we just follow the same procedure. You add a page, you come to design, you come here, you type introduction, you look at the templates. So when you look at the templates, you can come here and click on this one. So using a little bit of editing, you can edit this page to suit whatever it is you want on the page. So you can come here, and since it's a watermark, you can remove it. Then you copy and paste this one, then you move it over here. You change the color, give it a color that suits the theme of your book, and you type introduction. You can move this one over here since you would put the table numbers here. Then since we have an executive summary, you can delete this, you can delete this, you can also delete this, and you can also delete this. Then you select everything here, you push it upwards. This is where the content will go to. So if you have your book, you can just write your content over here. And you now try and get your page numbers over here. So as we did earlier on, you go to elements, you go to page number, and this is number 2. This is number 2. So you shrink it, you move it over here, you change the color, then you go back to your table of contents, you select the one, you can copy and paste it, you move it here, and you type 2, and that's it. You have your introduction page. So we are done with our table of contents, executive summary, and introduction page. Let's move on to the main body of the book. So the introduction page can look just as the same as the main body of the book. So what you can do is you click on this and you click on duplicate. Then you come here and you look for the first element of the project charter. So the first element of the project charter is the project purpose or justification. You copy it, you come here and you paste it. You can change the color as well. When you're done pasting it, you can select it and change the color as well. Then you input your content over here. So you can do the same. Then we come here, we delete this, we go to our page numbers from the elements part. You go to page 3, shrink it, place it perfectly over here, then you change the color. So you can do this on and on and on until you are done with the main contents of the book. Let's go ahead and create our About Me page. So as we did earlier on, you just add your page, you come here and you type About Me. You look through the templates and you select one that you like. Then you can start to edit. So when you're done with everything, just input your credentials. And that's it. We've created an ebook using existing Canva templates. Let's go ahead and export it so that we can use a PDF viewer to see how it really works. To share, and you come to download. Then you download as a PDF print. You select all 10 pages, then you go to download. So when it's done downloading, you can open it and you see how it is on a PDF viewer, just like any other PDF document you can find. In my next video upload, I'll show you how to create an ebook from scratch using lines, text, and shapes. This is why I urge you to like, subscribe, and share, because as I say every time, I have a lot of content awaiting for you.